Hello everyone, we're cooking the shrimp, fried shrimp. Ayan guys, so yummy with chili and parsley guys. Hello. Thank you so much everyone. God bless. I hope you like it. This is our shrimp with chili and parsley and spicy salt. Ayan. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Hello everyone. Thank you, and God bless. I hope you like it. Enjoy. Masaya ka na ba sa iyong nakikitang pagkain? Thank you so much. Okay guys, this is our dried shrimp with egg and better guard. Enjoy watching. God bless everyone. I hope you like it. Okay everyone, thank you so much. This is Cecil Bilbao de Arrow. God bless. This is our cabbage, carrot, and of course we have also a 10 pork inside. Okay, and then we steam this one. Thank you guys. Hello everyone, this is a Chinese cabbage, carrots, and of course we put also the 10 pork. Hello everyone, we cook fish fillet. Fish fillet with eggs, with corn, of course, cornstarch, sea salt. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you everyone. God bless. That's our lunch for today. Palangka. Zucchini, black fungus, lily bulb, and Chinese yam. Ayan. God bless. Hello guys, good afternoon. This is our okra with pork with meat and then before you cook guys, you need to boil or blanch the okra. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Ayan na yung ating pagkain. Enjoy guys. Big mushroom, pineapple, and chili guys. Thank you everyone. God bless. Na yung ating big mushroom or oyster mushroom, chili, and of course pineapple like that. Ayan. God bless. Ayan, nakakita nyo yun guys. Enjoy watching tayo mga palangga. Ayan. Ayan na yung ating pagkain for dinner today. Ayan na guys. Anuhin natin guys kasi ayan ang kailangan natin. Pagkain sa ating katawan. Enjoy. Hello guys, good morning. This is our asparagus chicken with mango. Ayan, enjoy watching. God bless. Hello guys, good morning. Ito na yung ating okra with pork, 10 pork. Oh guys, this look at that. Very 10 pork. Ayan with okra. Okay. Ayan na, ito na siya. Ito na yung mga ano guys. Okay malangga, it's already our scallop is finished cooking. Okay, ayan. That's scallop, and of course we put our sauce. This is a sauce from the earth, or the earth. Ganyan talaga na guys, no? Kailangan talaga from the earth. Okay, this is our scallop. Maglagay na tayo ng ating sauce sa ating scallop guys. We fry the garlic and of course spring onion for the scallop. Okay, ready to eat. Scallop is ready to eat because of course it's already cooking. Yes, enjoy. I hope you like it, guys. Okay. Ay, bakit siya dumikit, guys? Sabay ganun na. Ito naman ang sa akin, guys. Siyempre, no? Siyempre, ang auntie, kailangan mayroon. Hindi po, hindi wala. Okay na? Okay na, guys. Thank you so much. God bless. And guys, preparing the scallop, guys. Look at that, oh. Sabi ko na sa inyo, guys, scallop. Paano kanyan papayat? May pagkain dito. Ako nagluluto, guys. Basta ikaw nagluluto, guys, hindi ka talaga papayat yan. At saka kumakain ka. Paano na lang yan? Ahay. Dito ka lang talaga, guys, makakita sa Hong Kong ng mga ganito talaga na gumagalaw pa. Fresh na fresh. Ayan. Ayan, makikita mo dyan. Ayan. Grabe, guys, mahal. Makakain ka rito. Isa naman, isda na naman tayo, guys. Nasa isda na naman tayo. Ayan. Dami na naman isda. Dami na naman isda. Ayan na, guys, luto na. Already cook. Ayan, already cook. Oho, ato salamin na lang. Luto na to, guys. Mainit na siya. Ilagay na natin to sa ref, guys, para lumamig. Ayan, taba-taba niya pala. Oh. Grabe, kaya pala mahal. 420. Ayan, luto na. Okay, buhay pa siya. Kawawa na. Diba, guys? So, ayan, lutuin na natin. Nasa kawali na. Guys, lagyan natin siya ng asin, no? Bubuhay siya pag linagyan siya ng asin kasi may maalat, no? Still alive. It's already not moving, but when you put the salt, it's still alive. Oh, see, look at that, the legs, it's moving because they have take the salt. Okay? Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys, yan nga ni. Ayan, guys, yung ating 420 yan, guys. Ayan, $420. What did you call this? Crab. Okay, this crab. Okay, this is only steam. So, this is fat. Okay, this is big and fat. This is called dish only, guys. Enjoy watching. God bless everyone. Okay na, guys, fish fillet with pineapple and bell pepper. Enjoy. God bless sa inyong lahat, guys. Welcome to my channel, everyone. I hope you like it. Enjoy. Guys, our vermicelli, Harigard, minced pork, and dried shrimp. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Enjoy watching. God bless everyone. Our fish fillet with bell pepper and pineapple. God bless everyone. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good evening. This is a pork chop with onions. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cecil Bilbao. Diharo, God bless. Hello, good mga langga. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Ayan na naman yung ating pagkain, guys. Preparar na naman tayo, guys. Ating dinner. Ayan. Ayan, guys. So yummy. Masarap. So yummy. Masarap na pagkain. Maraming pagkain. Mabubusog kayo sa pagkain. Ayan, oh. Binibidyo natin yan guys para pag umalis tayo dito, makahanap tayo ng ibang amo. Alam natin ang ating lulutuin, di ba? At saka para mabigyan natin rin ideya ang ating mga friends na nanonood niya kung paano at saka ano yung kanilang lulutuin, ang kanilang mga menu, ingredients. Ayan guys. Mashallah, masarap. Hello guys, shout out. This is our food. Vegetables, salted egg, yan guys, ayan, ayan. Guys, this is our steamed tofu with chili bean sauce. Ayan, grabe, ang sarap, dami pagkain, sarap, pero ang init sa mukha guys, grabe. Guys, hello guys, shout out, good morning, this is a chicken lemon, guys, enjoy watching, God bless. Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. This is a finger fish. Enjoy watching, God bless everyone. Finger fish, ayan, enjoy. Gin-oven lang natin yan guys. Celery, hello guys, good morning. Celery with shrimp, chestnut, and kashoy ba? Carrots, ayan guys. Look at that.
Joel, move! Joel, actually move! Wait, leave me alone! Can you sky it?
Yes.
Sky it then!
Yes.
Okay, sky it! Sky it, actually
Let go.
sky it!
Margot, let go. Huh? Yeah, let go.
Ayan siya guys, oh, sarap-sarap no? Grabe, ang sarap. Masarap ang pagkain nyo. Hindi talaga kayo papayat guys, tingnan mo ako. Gustong gusto ko pumayat, ano magawa ko guys, yung ganyan na. Tabain pa rin, no? Good morning everyone, I'm Cecil Bilbao Biharo. God bless. I hope you like it. Enjoy watching guys. Ayan guys, ang ating steamed fish. Masarap. Kasing sarap mo. Grabe oh. Yummy, enjoy. Hello guys. Paano ba ko nito guys papayat guys? Sasali pa naman ako nito sa ano, may pagkain naman ito guys. Oh. Hello guys, we're cooking our dishes today. Hello guys, this is our dishes for today. Meat with carrots and sweet beans, shrimp with egg, beef with sesame. Okay, and with butter. Ayan na guys, oh, tingnan mo yan, daming isda, oh. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon. This is our menu for today. Lemongrass, that one guys. Lemongrass with sea bass fish guys, you know. I put inside but outside I put also. Just a bake guys. We don't have, I just only for steam. We don't have bake because it's not yet fixed. Okay, that's boiled shrimp guys later. Okay, thank you guys.